Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve.
And I am Scott.
Together, we're Backyard Musings, Apple Valley, People's Republic of California.
And we're talking about a pretty scary one tonight.
I've never heard of this.
Yeah.
This is crazy. I've never heard of this. Nitazenes. I'm going to spell it out for you. Nitazenes. Stronger than fentanyl are fueling overdoses. So this is a type of drug, not a drug. Right. Researchers urge better detection and harm reduction. They are a group of extremely powerful synthetic opioids are quickly becoming a significant factor in the overdose epidemic, according to a pain medicine review published by researchers at Vanderbilt University Medical Center and the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center on September 14, 2025. Would you like to know more? I would.
Okay, this is kind of the scary part here. These drugs were first synthesized in the 1950s, but were never approved for clinical use. They are estimated to be more than 20 times stronger than fentanyl, which is pretty strong, and hundreds to thousands of times stronger than morphine. Nitazenes can appear in several forms, including liquid, pills, and powder. And since 2019, they have increasingly been identified in products sold on the illicit drug market, as well as through social media.
So you can buy your drugs through social media. I didn't know that.
Yeah,
that's new.
Yeah.
Although initially designed as potential painkillers, Nitazenes, were never tested in clinical trials or cleared for medical use in humans. Well, what is it for? Horses? Classified as illegal Schedule I substances, they are often mixed into counterfeit pills or other street drugs, compounding the danger. They are not reliably detected by standard drug screening methods.
Quote, for patients, especially those with opioid use disorder or those exposed to illicit substances, Nitazenes pose a serious and often hidden threat, says co-author Sharvani Durbakala. Yep. MD, Associate Professor of Anesthesiology, Division of Pain Medicine at Vanderbilt University Medical Center. Continuing with his quote, because these drugs may not show up on a routine toxicology screen, which is crazy, clinicians could miss a critical piece of the diagnosis during overdose treatment. Patients may also need higher or repeated doses of naloxone, which is, I think, like Narcan, right? They give that to people that are overdosing to reverse their side effects, she said.
Between 2019 and 2023, the Tennessee State Unintentional Drug Overdose Reporting System, TN-SUDORS, documented 92 fatal overdoses in the state that involved Nitazenes. Gee whiz. Data showed that naloxone was given in only about 1/3 of these cases. In every instance where Nitazenes were present, they were combined with other drugs, most often fentanyl and methamphetamine. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is crazy. I mean, I don't know.
It is.
Nuts. Sick people out there. Quote, many people consuming Nitazenes don't even know they're taking them. Durbakala said. These substances are often adulterants in pills sold as other opioids, making public education more important than ever. Quote, we also want to stress that this is not just a drug issue. It is a public health emergency. Addressing it will require collaboration between clinicians, public health officials, law enforcement, and community organizations to implement harm reduction strategies, support addiction treatment, and raise awareness about these evolving threats, she added. Crazy.
Yeah. The authors recommend expanding access to new test strips that can detect Nitazenes and for at-risk patients to have access to take-home naloxone addiction treatment and education about counterfeit pills. Quote, Nitazenes are an emerging, I'm going to spell it again, Nitazenes. Hopefully I'm not butchering it. Nitazenes are an emerging class of synthetic opioids that are even more potent than fentanyl and often undetected by routine drug tests, said corresponding author Ryan Mortman, MD, a resident in the Department of Physical Medicine and Rehab at the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center.
Quote, their rapid spread in the illicit drug market, combined with the difficulty of reversing overdoses, underscores the urgent need for public awareness, early recognition, and expanded access to harm reduction tools such as naloxone, he said.
Co-author Trent Emmerich, MD, Associate Professor of Anesthesiology and Perioperative Medicine and Bioengineering at the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine, said the next steps are to generate human clinical data to better understand nitazenes' effects, especially long-term health impacts, metabolism, and response to treatments not like naloxone.
Quote, the opioid crisis continues to evolve, and a thorough understanding of mechanisms and risks of nitazenes is crucial for pain physicians, anesthesiologists, and other providers, Emmerich said. So be careful what you take, right? I mean, don't just...
Know your junkie.
Make sure you're getting this from a reputable doctor or pharmacist or whatever. I mean, don't try to save a few bucks and buy this stuff
down in Mexico
or on the street corner or wherever. I mean, you just don't know. I mean, we've been hearing about fentanyl for quite a while, and that stuff is scary, right? The pinhead size portion can kill you, and they're putting it in all kinds of stuff. So this is even worse than that. This is even worse than that. Folks. What a way to take over a country.
I know. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you in the morning.
Take care, everyone. Have a good day.